Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg keema. First, ensure you have 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 medium-sized onions, and 3 ripe tomatoes. You'll also need a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 green chilies, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Don't forget your essential spices: half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic flavor. Let's get cooking. Now let's build our flavorful base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or kadahi over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown. This step is crucial for depth of flavor. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and the chopped green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. The aroma will be amazing. It's time to introduce more flavor. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them down until they become soft and pulpy, releasing their juices. Then mix in your turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala, cooking for another minute to toast the spices. Now, take 4 of your hard-boiled eggs and mash them roughly. Chop the remaining 2 eggs into small pieces. This combination adds great texture. Finally, add the mashed and chopped hard-boiled eggs to your rich gravy. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the eggs are well coated with the delicious sauce. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. Serve your hot egg keema with pav, roti, or rice. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.